Hello, kids! Today we're going to learn prepositions. Let's jump in, climb on, and slide under the world of words. The first is, the toy is in the box. Next is, the book is on the table. Next is, the cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. The bird flew over the house. The shoes are below the shelf. Can you guess next one? Next is, the fan is above the head. The ball is next to the bag. The ball is next to the bag. He sat beside me. He sat beside me. The pencil is between the books. The dog is behind the curtain. She is standing in front of the car. The kitten is inside the box. The kids are playing outside. Put the banana into the basket. He came out of the room. He walked through the tunnel. He walked through the tunnel. He ran around the tree. He ran around the tree. The duck swam across the pond. Jump onto the mat. Jump onto the mat. Take the cup off the table.